All right. That would have been bad. I was on the minis, not the micros. So on the 1 hour, we got this swing down here. And this one. And then kind of looks like we're being drawn up into this 1 hour fair value gap. Well, now we just wait. I think these are my main key areas I'm watching for. And we're not expecting the market to go to any of them. We just mark them out and then see how the market reacts when it gets there. We've already had this little run of liquidity down here. On all time frames, but it took out these two swings, ran up, create a imbalance, retested several times. Now we're ripping off of that again. But I kind of want to wait 20-30 minutes first. Oh, McLovin. Sorry, I didn't even see that that message. I was expecting you. Yeah, I like trying to figure out a daily bias, but then at the same time, it makes me miss other setups. So I'm trying to get back into just marking out my areas of interest and then see how the market behaves there. I mean, I've been just taking like, I don't know, 15, 20-ish points in a move. So I don't really need to know what the daily bias is because I'm not looking for a move for the whole day. I'm just looking for a few points that make me happy. I don't know if I'm going to do this every day. Just, I've always wanted to try streaming, and I've done streaming before with like video games and stuff. So I'm no stranger to it, but with trading, I just wasn't sure if I had the time to do it. But I think I have more time to stream because when I get done streaming, I can just be done. And recording, I have to edit a video and upload it, and it all takes extra time. With this, once I'm done, I'm done. Yo, let's go. This is just a test. I don't know if I'm doing this every day. Let's not all get too excited now. I'm just a random guy trying to trade. You guys can see how sporadic I am about switching time frames, zooming in and out, trying to read the market, make sure I don't miss something. I have to be careful I don't do that because then I start over analyzing. So yeah, you're not gonna hear me beg for subscribers or likes or comments, but if you guys want to promote me, go for it. I appreciate it. louder. Let's see. I probably need to talk louder too. Is that any better? I don't really project my voice as much as I should. All right. Not really doing anything. Still in this guy right here. I kind of wanted to stream because the first like 30 minutes is pretty boring. So I figured if I stream and have people to talk to, which I do have some friends I talk to when I trade, but uh, you know, everyone's focused on trading. So maybe if you guys can keep my attention span instead of wasting my patience waiting for this market to give me something, maybe that will help. Damn, you're already in. At 74. Just thinking that this was a liquidity run up here and that we're going to go take out that low. Maybe. There was a pretty nice setup that I watched for back here at 8:30. Actually, I think we had news at 8:30, so that's why that was there. Oh yeah, you're all over the place. Today's Wednesday. I like to see these highs get taken out. Maybe tap up into this fair value gap and then see some displacement down. But we could go down first and then work our way up. So until then, we wait. Well, you're definitely right about the chop. Very nice. What's going on? It's funny that you just asked me about streaming yesterday when I was already planning on doing it today. appreciate it. I'm glad that you're glad that I'm streaming. I do it for the people. Yeah, not much is going on right now. But this is where we be patient and we don't let it get don't let the market chop us up. We'll let it chop up all the other people first. And then hopefully it will present us with something. But I don't like anything right now. Oh, VWAP. Now it looks like VWAP's holding, right? Here's VWAP. So we're going to go up. I just have to give him a hard time with VWAP because he knows I don't use any indicators. This is just straight sideways. I do. I didn't have it set up. I don't know how loud it will be. I just figured if you want something, I mean I have music playing on my end, but I can't play it on here. But I can put on let me try putting on what I usually put in my videos. You know, I started setting that up, but then I stopped. You can help me figure out how loud it needs to be. And then it's probably going to be loud to start because I'm trying to edit the volume. Let me know what that what that sounds like, if that's like the normal volume for my other videos. Look at that. Took out that high, went right to that fair value gap. So we were expecting. Now we see if we can get a little fair value gap out of this bad boy. You guys should have that music playing now, so let me know if that sounds okay. Is it too loud or too soft? We can turn it up a little bit. You just let me know when it's perfect. I don't want it too loud. I think that's kind of obnoxious. Ah, Jesus. We got soft. We got turn it up. We want to see, I think I want to see this trade a little more up here, but I mean, it doesn't have to. It did its job by taking out any stops up here, right to that 1 hour. So 1 hour fair value gap. We have all of this displacement down here that we've only tapped a little bit last night in the PM session. Oh, damn. So I think we're going to get drawn down into that and potentially the lows, because in that PM session, we only dug into it a little bit. So I'd expect it to at least come to here, if not the lows. But don't take a trade based on what I'm seeing. What's going on, Knives? Just trying something different today. I think we may take this. Did that not go through? Why are these not? What the hell is going on? Hold on 1 second. Why my orders are on, but I don't see them. Does anybody know what's going on? What the hell? My orders are on. Like I pulled up my I don't want to pull this up because that's like account number and stuff in there, but why is it not showing my positions right there? Using AMP. Uh-oh. That's not good. I'm gonna get out of 5 because I did not want to be in 10. I just had to refresh Tradervue. Really want to see this low, this low, but I mean, I don't know if it'll hold to that if we do come back down. I mean, I think that's a good setup. Came out, took out liquidity from these highs right into a 1 hour bearish fair value gap displacement, came back up into it. Now we just wait. That was kind of scary though with it not showing. I shouldn't have clicked twice. I should have known. Usually like they go through and it's something else. Yeah, you know I'm not worried about VWAP. And I'm not showing like the money during a trade because we don't need that to affect us. And I'm not looking at, you know, how much we're up or down after a trade. If we were to take a couple trades today, if this one works out, I'm most likely just going to call it because I like just taking one or two good setups and just letting it play out and taking whatever the market decided to give me. What am I freaking you out for? But we can look at how much we're up or down after we call it on the day. This is where we stay nice and zen. There's I would really like us to go to 50 at least. He hit about 20 points. Can we get 30, 40, 50? I would think we would go through this area pretty quickly because we displaced out of it and then we filled it all in through here. So if we're going back down, there's no need for it to, you know, chop around. It should just go straight through it without looking back. This fair value gap right here. But I also don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I mean, this setup doesn't get much cleaner than that, especially on a 1 minute liquidity run up here. Fair value gap came back up. gonna take a couple off here. We don't need that. I feel like this should change, but it doesn't. Yeah, let's just take all that. This could keep going, obviously, but you guys know me. I get in these moves that are like massive moves and then take my profits way too early. But I'm just looking for high probability. Kind of want to see if it at least goes to this slow, but honestly, I think this is the draw on liquidity down here. There's been so many times where I take my profits out of a move and then I come back and look at it and it goes like 100 and something points. Let's see what we made on that. I think I'm gonna be done though. We could no, I need to be done. Hold on one second. Right here. 232. I don't know. Oop. Oh, well. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna be done there. Especially with like first day of like streaming. Hey, what's up, One Stop Trader? You're another one of my regulars. First day of streaming, so I think being up 230 is respectable on micros with one trade. So we accidentally sold twice. Oh, that first one. Oh no, that wasn't a losing trade, was it? I don't know. As soon as I move my stop into profit, like I always end up just killing the trade like 2 seconds later because I move it into profit, then I'm like, damn, if this comes back and stops me, I make 10 points, but we're at like 20 points right now, so then I just kill it. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Knives is I really need to keep track. Maybe I'll start today. I need to start keeping track of what I took on. So I took a trade today, write down how many points I took and write down how many points it went to. Because if I do that and like every time I take a green trade, it's always running 100 points. Like what the hell am I taking 20 points for? I mean, this went right to where we wanted it to go. And then this is also why I just stop after one, because that is really frustrating. I don't want to trade. I don't want to keep trading because now I'm going to chase that. And the move happened. Yeah, we're going to start writing that down. I actually got a notebook the other day so I can write stuff down because I'm really bad at writing things down and just journaling in general. That's why I make videos, because that's easier. But we're going to start doing that. I'm going to write down how many trades I took, what each trade gave me, than what it would have given me if I held longer. Because that was like a perfect entry. Plus having a, and I don't know why I don't trust myself, because I've proven time and time again where I have liquidity zones marked out, it runs right to them and then does what we're expecting. Like why Why am I thinking that this isn't going to happen when it happens all the time? All right, pretty successful day. Nice and quick. I think, assuming I can, I guess we'll just stream tomorrow too. This is a hell of a lot easier than recording a video and then editing it and posting it. Plus, get to talk to you guys in between trades so we don't lose our goddamn minds waiting for the market to do something. Because I'm sure people got chopped up in this. So for 15 minutes, we basically didn't do anything. But I would say that that's a successful first day. All right, you guys have a good one. If you liked it, come back tomorrow and we'll do it again. Talk to you guys later.